Hello my dear champions, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing good. So welcome to day 32 of our series 99% in 99 days for CBSE Mathematics. So I hope all of you are doing good. Yes, I am Ankit Sir asking you to join on our platform Diksha Vedanta Foundation YouTube channel, where we are coming every day with a session on science and maths to help you achieve your goal of 99% or 100%, whatever is your goal, to get better at your subject for maths and science. We are coming every day to help you, to assist you with that, right? Today we're going to discuss a very important concept, which is going to be tangent from an external point. Why important, sir? Because if you see the questions coming in your examination is mostly coming from this particular topic, from the circles chapter. Okay, that's why very important. The concept that we are having this year is not as much as we used to have in grade 9, but again, application of all the concepts that you learned in grade 9 will be there in grade 10 as well. So you're going to use those concepts that you've learned already in the grade 10. Great, sir. But here we have an important concept regarding when we are taking a tangent from external point, we have to see how the tangents are going to be, the angles, everything we will see in the session today. So I'll teach you the properties, okay, and then I'll solve some 8 to 9 questions for you, and then we'll complete the session, bacha. I hope this is clear. So please take your pen and paper out and solve the questions with me, okay? So before we go to the questions and the concepts, let's see the chapter plan. Let us see the chapter plan. So as I said, tangents of a circle, tangents from a point to a circle. I'll talk about a little bit of cyclic quadrilateral, just because in some questions you will feel that application is there, but not much. Just I'll give you a property of cyclic quadrilateral. Okay, so tangent of a circle, tangents from a point to a circle. Okay, this is your chapter plan. Now you look at the weightage. So again, in the geometry whole unit, the weightage is what? 15 marks. Okay, so circles is coming for 7 marks. Tangents of a circle or tangents from external point, both can be asked in categories of MCQs: 2 marker, 3 marker, 5 marker and 4 marker. Means even case study can come. Okay, look at the property now. Tangents from a point, external point to a circle. Great, sir. Let's draw a circle. चलिए देखते हैं. So circle is drawn like this, let's say, with center O, Great, sir. And I have external point over here, which is making this tangents like this. Let's say this is the point P, making tangents as PA and PB, If it doesn't look like a tangent, please accept it as a tangent. It has only one point of contact over here and over here. P and PB are tangents. Okay, so what is the property? The property, I'll list it out. So first one is that PA is equals to PB. PA is equals to PB. I'll not prove this property. I'll tell you what it is. I'll tell you how to do it, and I've taken a question where we'll prove it anyway. But over here, I'll just list down the properties that we have based upon a external point where the tangents is drawn. So first is what? PA equals to PB, means these two tangents are equal. These two tangents are equal. Again, a couple of more things to remember over here. If you join this line OA, what is OA going to be, bacha? It's going to be radius, sir. It means this angle is going how much, sir? 90 degrees. Correct? Same way, if you join OB, what is OB, sir? Again, the same radius, right? Okay. Again, 90 degree, because radius and tangent makes angle of 90 degree. We see this, we have seen this in the previous session. Okay, great. So now, if you check, there's something called as angle subtended by the tangents at the center. I'll repeat, angle subtended by the tangents at the center. How will it look? Check here. This angle, bacha. This angle, if I call this to be angle 1 and this to be angle 2, they are equal in nature. Angle 1 and angle 2 is also equal. So second property goes like this. Angle 1 equals to angle 2. Angle 1 equals to angle 2. So far we had PA equals to PB. Angle 1 is also equals to angle 2. What we call that? Angle subtended by the tangents at the center. Also, what is it? The tangents are equally inclined. The tangents are equally inclined to the line joining the point and the center. I'll repeat, the tangent P and PB are equally inclined means what? This angle 3 and this angle 4 is equal. Angle 3 equals to angle 4. Angle 3 equals to angle 4. And how we state it? The tangents are equally inclined. Inclined with what? Inclined with the line joining the point with the center. What's the line joining the point and the center? What is the point, sir? The point is the point P and the center. Line joining the point P and the center is what, sir? OP. What is the statement? Tangents are equally inclined. Tangents PA and PB are equally inclined with the line joining the point and the center. Clear hai? Is it okay? So what I have so far, PA equals to PB, very important. Also angle 1 equals to angle 2, angle 3 equals to angle 4. Angle 1 we say tangents make equal angles at the center, and angle 3 and angle 4 we say what? Tangents are equally inclined with the line joining the point and the center. Is that clear? This is the three properties which is very, very important for us. Okay. Now I want you to have a look. So make a list of this. 1 second. So make a list of it, very, very important. Okay. How to prove it? If you know, right? What is it? Check here what we can do about this. Congruency, sir. Take the triangles, prove congruency. You're gonna get what? Simply, you're gonna get simply what, sir? You're gonna get simply the properties that I'm looking for here, proven directly. Once you prove the triangles to be congruent. Which triangles, sir? POA and POB. Take the triangles POA and POB, prove the congruency. Right? Any criteria? I think RHS will suit better. So check the RHS criteria and prove it. Shall I move on? Yes, sir. Now I said I'll talk about a little bit of cyclic quadrilateral also. So let me just write it over here. A few properties for you. Cyclic quadrilateral, sir. Why this property is important? Because in some questions, they just, to find certain angles, you might have to use this property. That's why I'm just, writing this over here. So if I have a quadrilateral, let's say like this, which is, I can do better. I can do better than this. Have a look. Yeah, this circle is better, sir. Not a perfect circle, but better circle certainly. Whenever we have, this property, sir, A, B, C and D. Whenever we have the vertices of a quadrilateral lying on the circumference of the circle. Is that clear? Vertices of the quadrilateral lying on the circumference of the circle. What we call the quadrilateral to be cyclic. Can you clear? Yes, great, sir. In that case, what is the property? The property is very simple. The opposite angles are supplementary. Angle A plus angle C is 180, and so is angle B plus angle D also 180 degrees. So this is the property. Opposite angles are supplementary. I'll repeat. Opposite angles are supplementary. Opposite angles are supplementary. Is that clear? Is that clear, sir? Yes. Okay, so I move on. Please have a look. So both properties are clear. Moving on to the question number 1. Right? What is our goal? Learn the concepts quickly, revise them, and then move on to the questions. Okay? I'm not doing all the theorems, bacha, to prove it because it's not required. Wherever it is required, I'm doing that for you anyway. Like in BPT, we did that, right? In Converse, we did that. Okay? I'll do the first theorem as well, like in this one, what we talked about, tangents drawn from the external point. But I've taken it as a question because I've seen it as a PYQ. That's why I wanted to do it there. Chaliye. So if the given figure AB, AC are tangents, AB, AC doesn't look like it's a, let me draw it, bacha, for you. AB, AC. This is the line AB. This is the line AC for you. This is point A, external point, C here, and the point B here. Okay, and this angle is what, bacha? This angle is 42 degrees. Now it is clear. Is it clear now? 42 degrees. Have a look. 42 degrees. Okay. Now, what are they asking? Find the measure of angle BAC. So they are asking this angle X. They are asking this angle X. Okay. We know that. We have just learnt. Okay. Acha, did we not? Yes. From this property, please check here. Please check here. Okay, I forgot to mention that there. So I'll mention it over here also. 1 second before I go ahead and teach you the question. If you join this line, bacha, if you join this line, check here. Triangle PAB. Triangle PAB is what? Isn't triangle PAB isosceles? Please, just 1 second, I will take here. Triangle PAB is isosceles, right? Isosceles. How come, sir? Because PA equals to PB. Because PA equals to PB. In that case, I can say angle PAB and angle PB are equal. Angle PAB equals to angle PBA. Have a look. PAB, this angle, and PBA, this angle are equal. Can you clear hai? Okay, I'll erase this. Okay, just have a look. Just have a look. Same property we're going to use there. We have already written this. Once this is written, no? once this line is written, it's automatically understood that it is going to be a isosceles triangle, but I've written it anyway. Okay, so keep it as point number 4. Keep it as point number 4. No point, no problem. Okay, chaliye. So let's go back to the question. Same I'm going to use here. So same way, if you check here, ABC and ACB will be equal. Angle ABC will be equal to what, bacha? Angle ACB. ACB. Because AC equals to AB, I'll write it over here, because AC equals to AB. How come, sir? From external point, tangents AC and AB will be equal, right? Great. So what is going to be, bacha, this value? This value is going to be again 42 degrees. Going to be 42 degrees. Kya ye clear hai? Okay. Great. Now look at the triangle, in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, what we have by angle sum property? Angle A plus angle B plus angle C is how much, sir? 180 degree. Angle C is, sir, 180 degrees. So we have angle A as X. Rest two are 42, 42. So write it like this. If you add them, you're gonna get 84 here. Bring that aside. You're gonna get 96. Have a look. Do the calculation, please. If you're not getting this answer to be 96, do the calculation. Add them, subtract on the 180 degree side. Answer is A, 96. A good question. Simple but good question. Okay. Again a PYQ. Have a look. In figure, if AOB is, this is also a property, bacha. Before I go ahead and teach you this, is a property. So if a quadrilateral is circumscribing, I'll repeat, if a quadrilateral is circumscribing a circle, of course, means the circle is inside the quadrilateral like this, being that all the sides of the quadrilateral, all 4 sides of the quadrilateral is a tangent to the circle. Please check. AB, one point of contact, sir, tangent. AD, one point of contact, sir, so tangent. CD, one point of contact, sir, so tangent. Same way, BC, one point of contact, sir, so tangent. Means all 4 sides are the tangent of the circle. Whenever that is happening, we can say what? The opposite angles you see here, like this, AOB and COD will be supplementary. Means angle formed like this. Okay, please check. So we can say what simply? The property is angle AOB at the center, okay, like that, plus only at the center, plus COD will be supplementary, means 180 degrees. So what I'm going to get, bacha? I'm going to get angle COD equals to 180 minus 125. So is it 55? Please check. Correct, na? 55? Yes, sir, 55 degrees. Any option like that? D, sir. D, sir. From your exemplar, have a look. Yes, correct. 50 plus 20, 75 plus 5 is 80. Have a look. Question number 3. In the given figure, the quadrilateral PQRS, I hope this is visible. Yes. So PQRS circumscribe a circle. Circumscribe a circle. Same thing as the previous one, but the angle is different. PA plus CS they are saying. PA plus CS. Have a look. Where is PA plus CS? So they are saying this side PA plus CS over here. We know if this is, let's say, X, this will also be X, bacha. Correct, na? If this is X, then this is also X. How come, sir? How come, sir? CS and SD is equal. How come? From external point S, the two tangents are drawn to the circle. So X and X, same way, if this is Y, what is this, sir? Also Y. Please check. Now, what are they asking? PA plus CS. PA is what? PA is Y, sir. And CS is what, sir? X. X plus Y simply. What is X plus Y? Please look at the figure. PS, sir. PS, sir. Option number C, sir. Option number C, sir. Kya simple hai? Very simple. Yes, sir. Okay. Question number 4. Have a look. I hope this is clear to you. Yeah. In the figure, TA is a tangent to the circle. Okay, correct. With center O, center is given as O, such that OT is 4. OT is 4. The line joining the center and the point outside the circle is T. So 4. And OT is 30. This is a 30 degree angle. Okay, acute angle. Then find TA. Find TA. Let's call TA to be X. Let's call TA to be X. Okay, sir. Great. Chaliye bacha, let's do it. So one thing we can see is, it's a right angle triangle. We can write what? OA is perpendicular to AT. How come, sir? How come, sir? This is radius, right? Radius and the tangent is what? Perpendicular. So OA is perpendicular to AT. From there, what we can get? We can apply the trigonometric ratio because angle is given. So please check. We can apply that. Cos, right? How come cos, sir? Because we have the hypotenuse known and we are looking for the base. It means cos. So x upon 4. Cos 30 is how much? Root 3 by 2. X upon 4. 4 and this will cancel. I'm getting x by 2 as root 3. So I'm getting x as 2 root 3. I hope this is clear. 2 root 3. 2 root 3, option number C. Please check. Option number C, sir. Okay, have a look. Simple question. Just I have to identify the property. That O is perpendicular to AT. It's a PYQ or exemplar problem. Moving on. Okay, now I have a very good announcement to make for all of you. What is that? So at our offline campuses, Diksha, we are organizing, as we do every year, a program called the Diksha Scholarship Aptitude Test. We call it to be DSAT program. Okay, so what it does is it enables student from grade 10 to make a right career choice. Okay, means what they should do, what subject they should choose in 11th and 12th, whether they should go with the arts, commerce, or science with maths, without maths, basically with the bio. So you get to make this decision after you take this program. Okay, how can you take the program? So first of all, the link for this web page is given in the description. Go ahead, check the link out, enroll yourself, get in touch with our team, and they'll help you, they'll assist you to come, and you can join and book a slot on Sunday for 3 hours, and this will help you make the decision. But if you're somebody who is already clear that what they want to do, let's say they want to do engineering, so good, then this will help you, bacha, to assess your competency level for JEE, KSET and NEET, like where you stand, how can you get better, all of the questions will be answered. Okay, so how it actually helps, we'll talk about that at the end of the session, where we are dealing with the structure of this program. Right now I'll go back to the question solving. Okay, so we'll talk about it when I give you the clarity that actually how it helps. Okay, what is the structure of this program that it enables the students to make this decision. So then we'll see, and you'll be very clear with it. Assumption and reason, question number 5. Have a look. If O is the center of a circle and P is a point outside the circle, let's draw the circle, bacha. We'll draw a small one. Okay, O is here, let's say P is here. Okay, circle PT is a tangent, PT is a tangent, so this is T, such that OP is 10. This is 10. Okay, PT is 8. This is 8. They're saying that circle's radius is what? 6. Are correct, na sir? Check. We know that OT is perpendicular to what? PT, radius and tangent. So if you apply the Pythagoras theorem, what are you going to get? 8 square plus 6 square. Please check. Base and height square. OT plus PT square will be what, bacha? So 64 plus 36. How much is that, sir? 100. Square root of that will be 10 only, na? So statement 1 is correct. Let's look at the reason now. If O is the center, P is the point outside the circle, PT is a tangent. Correct. This also is right, bacha. Same thing we are using, na? Please check. So it's going to be option number A, sir. Option number A. All of you agree? Right? That's what I've used. I've used this. No, this is from where? Pythagoras theorem. That's what we are used to get the result, which is going to be this 6 centimeters. Okay, clear? Moving on to question number 6. In the given figure, O is the center of the circle. Have a look. Okay, O is center of the circle. AB and AC are tangents. Okay. So this AB and AC will be equal, sir. Great. Drawn to the circle from point A. If BAC is 65, BAC, this whole angle is 65 degree, the whole thing. Okay. Then find BOC. Okay, BOC. We have to join this. So we know this is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. How come so? Because both of them are radiuses. Okay, clear? Both of them are radiuses. So 90 and 90. So look at the triangle quadrilateral ABOC. In quadrilateral, what is it, bacha? ABOC. ABOC, have a look. Okay, we know that OB is perpendicular to AB, and what is it? OC is perpendicular to AC. Why? Radii and tangents are perpendicular at point of contact, na? At point of contact. Say yes. All of you agree, right? The radius of the tangent is always perpendicular at the point of contact. So both radiuses will be perpendicular with the respective tangents. Okay, great. With that known, we can say what? Angle in this quadrilateral ABOC, angle BOC plus angle OC, I can write as simply angle C. I can write angle OB as simply angle B, and I'll write that one is angle BAC, or angle A also is okay. 360 degree, how sir? Angles and property of a quadrilateral, right? Total sum is how much? 360 degree. Write the value sir. We're looking for angle BOC, so we'll keep this as it is. Angle C is what? 90 degree. Angle B is what? 90 degree. And angle A is how much? Angle A is 65 degrees. So if you check here, I'm getting what? Angle BOC is coming as, this is how much, this is 180. Bring it on this side, it will become 360 minus 180. So simply what, sir? 180 degrees minus 65 degrees. How come, sir? I'll bring this also, that side. That's why. Sum is 180, bring that on this side. Okay, 360 minus 180. 180, and 65 is also negative. So like that, please check. I'm getting, if it was 60, I'm going to get 120. So 115 degrees, 115 degrees. If it was 60, then I'll get 120, but it is 65, means 115 degrees. Angle BOC, have a look. Your choice, whatever way you can want to subtract, you can subtract it like this. Okay, angle BOC will come as 115 degrees. I hope this is clear. Have a look. No problem. Simple problem again from P by Q 2023 paper. Let's move on to question number 7. The length of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. We have to prove that, bacha. We have to prove this. So what we are looking to prove? Let's write the statement. To prove, sir. To prove what, sir? Length of the tangents of a drawn from an external point from P to this. Basically, AP equals to BP. AP equals to BP. We have to prove it. Okay. What is given? This a tangent is given. Okay. Rest all we have to prove. So, okay. Let's check the proof directly. Check the proof directly, sir. We can say one thing, bacha. OA perpendicular to AP. OA is perpendicular to AP, and same way OB is perpendicular to BP. This we know. How come, sir? Same thing I've written over here. Please check this whole statement. Radii and tangents are perpendicular at the point of contact. Same reason. Kya ye clear hai? Okay. Now check it out. In triangle OAP and OBP. In triangle OAP and triangle OBP. OAP and OBP. Kya ye clear hai? Okay. Have a look. OA equals to OB equals to radius. OA and OB are both radiuses, right? So they must be equal. Great. Also, OP is a common side. Common side. Please check. OP is a common side, sir. The line joining the point, external point and the center. Common side, sir. What else I'm getting? Angle A, or basically angle OAP, is equal to angle OBP. Right? OAP equals to OBP. How, sir? Both of them are 90 degrees. So what I'm getting, sir? I'm getting triangle A, sorry. Yes, 1 second, sir. OAP is congruent with triangle OBP. Reason, sir? Please check. What is the reason, sir? Right angle, common side is hypotenuse and a side. Okay. So RHS congruency criteria, right? RHS criteria. Simple. Now what we can say from here? We can say that AP equals to BP. AP equals to BP. How come, sir? CPCT. How come, sir? CPCT. What is that, sir? If you remember, very good. If not, Not good. Okay, so corresponding parts of congruent triangles are always equal, sir. Always equal. So that's why AP equals to BP. We were looking to prove that only. Please have a look from here. Same thing we have got. Okay, that's why I said we can use this only to prove that. Now once the triangle is congruent, we can say this angle is equal to this angle, again CPCT, and again this also is true, CPCT. है ना? This also is CPCT. Correct? Once it is proven congruent, we can take all the properties that I've written in the slide number 1. Okay, moving on to question number 8. Have a look. No problem whatsoever over here. Question number 8. Let's do it. Prove that the parallelogram circumscribing circle is rhombus. Okay, means you have to prove ABCD is a rhombus. To prove, what is that, sir? ABCD is a rhombus. Is a rhombus. Great. What is given? What is given? They have given that ABCD is a parallelogram circumscribing the circle, circumscribing the circle with center O. With center O. This is a given statement. Achha, what is one thing? Meaning of circumscribing over here is that sides of the parallelogram will be tangents. Clear? Please check. AB is tangent with the point of contact P, BC tangent with the point contact Q, CD is a tangent with point contact R, and so is AD is a tangent with the point contact S. Kya ye clear hai? Okay, great. And O is the center of the circle. Okay, great, sir. So let's check the proof now. Let us check the proof now, sir. Let's see here, bacha. So proof part. Have a look. We have AB equals to CD, right? Achha, how will you prove it is a rhombus? How will you prove it is a rhombus? If you can prove AB equals to AD, AB equals to AD equals to BC equals to CD. Means if you can prove all sides equal, means your job is done. AB, BC, CD equals to AD means all sides are equal. Great. And it is a parallelogram means what? It is given that AB equals to CD. Was given, sir? AB equals to CD and BC equals to AD and BC equals to AD. Clear, right? I know this looks messy, but please accept it. Okay, AB equals to CD and BC equals to AD. I forgot to write it. Okay, clear? Alright, sir. If you want, I can mention it over here also. Erase it from here. Not make it messier. Okay, parallelogram, and I'll write it over here. Have a look. Just a second. It means that AB equals to CD. What else? It means also BC equals to AD. BC equals to AD. Now it's better? Yes, sir. Okay, great. Now let's look at the proof. We can say that AP equals to AS, right? AP equals to AS. How come, sir? How come? Please check. AP equals to AS. How come, sir? Because from the external point A, the tangents are drawn to the circle AS and AP. They are equal, right? So AP equals to AS is true, sir. Great. Same way I can write, bacha, what? BP equals to BQ. From the point B, I can write what? BP equals to BQ. From the point B, if we draw the tangents, I'm getting what? BP and BQ, they are equal. Same way I can write, bacha, CR equals to DR. No. Excuse me, not DR, sir. CR is equals to CQ. Please check. Equation 3. How come, sir? Point C, external point, CR and DR, the CQ as a tangent. Same way right here, bacha. DR equals to what I'm getting? DS. Equation 4. Again, the point D is the external point where the tangent is drawn from. Add all the 4 equations. Add all the 4. AP, BP. Please check. AP plus BP. Okay, what I'm getting again? CR plus DR On this side, club these two together. So BQ plus CQ. And the remaining two together, AS and DS. Now check it out. AP plus BP. AP plus BP is simply what, sir? AB. So write for this. Write for this. AP plus BP simply as, what is it? AB. Have a look. AP plus BP is AB. Same way. CRDR. CRDR is what, sir? CD. So right here, this is simply CD. BQ CQ, sir. BQ CQ is what, sir? Check here. BC. And ASDS, please check. ASDS is what, sir? Simply AD. Simply AD. Now we also know that AB and CD are equal, right? Please check. You know that AB and CD are equal. It means what? I can write for ABCD as simply twice of AB. Because AB and CD are equal, right? So twice of AB is true. Moving on. BC and AD. Check here. BC and AD are also equal, right? It means I can write here twice of, okay, AD I can write, bacha. Cancel 2 and 2. What I'm getting from here, AB equals to AD. AB equals to AD. Okay, please check. So what I've got so far is AB equals to AD. And what we had AB equals CD equals to, what we had is AB equals to CD, and we had AD equals to BC. Please check. Please check. ABC equals to CD and BC equals to AD. Okay. But we are also getting AB and AD equal. It means CD and BC will also be equal. So what I'm getting simply AB equals to AD equals to CD equals to BC. It means what? A parallelogram with all sides equal is simply a rhombus. Simply a rhombus. So I can write here, therefore ABCD is a rhombus. Now sir, have a look from here. PYQ and NCRT question, a very good question. Okay, simple but very good question. Have a look. Okay, clear? Okay, so this is it, bacha. We completed all our 8 questions that I've taken for the session today. I hope you enjoyed the questions. I hope you learned all the questions and solved all the questions with me. They were simple enough, but again, of a good kind, means they can come in the examination. Okay, the trendy questions I've taken, okay, from the recent papers. Now, as I said, I'll talk about the structure of the DSET program. So structure is 3-hour session on Sunday. Great. How can you book a slot? Visit the link given in the description and book a slot on Sunday at our offline campuses Diksha. Now, what else is there, sir? So structure wise, first hour of this 3-hour that you're gonna give to us will be a concept lecture, means we will teach you something for the first 45 minutes, and last 15 minutes will be a doubt session. You can ask your questions there. So your doubts will be cleared. Whatever you've learned in the 45 minutes, doubts will be also cleared. So 1 hour is gone. Second hour will be aptitude test. You write a test whatever you learned. You have to write that test for whatever you have learned. Now second hour is also over. For the third hour, we're going to evaluate your paper, okay, and you can sit with us, okay, with our counseling team, okay, with expert teachers, and you can ask your doubts. They can also explain it to you how you approach the problem, what you could have done better, okay, what are the different ways that you can solve your problem, okay. So with this you'll have a clarity, okay, what you are going through, what you can take. So all the questions that you are having as a student in your mind, so you will have a lot of questions. I understand that, you know, if your friends would have asked you a week back what you're planning, man, then you will not have this answer, okay, with you all the time, okay. Let's say your friend has asked what you're trying to do, then he or she will not have an answer. What exactly you want to do? You will have an answer, but it's not that much clear, or there's not much. You're not much confident about your answer. The confidence of your answer is still low. So after this session, keep all the questions that you are having in your mind. Come to us. We'll answer all of your questions. I'm very sure that after this session, you will be very, very clear with what you want to do, and you'll make a right career choice and save a couple of years that you're gonna waste if you don't. Okay, that is one thing. But if you want to join us for 11th and 12th preparation for your examination, whatever you are choosing, then you get a very good scholarship from our side for this, for your admissions. Okay, so make sure that you are attending this program on Sunday for 3 hours. Keep this for yourself to make a right career choice. With this, bacha, I would like to conclude the session. Okay, if you're new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, share it with your friends, like the videos. If you are having another feedback, let us know in the comment section. Okay, so I'll come in again in the next session with our next set of learnings to do, next set of questions to solve. Okay, till then, take care. Bye bye.